Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this video quality edit on CapCut. So select the video or photo, select adjust and select graphs. So it's like right here, so select graphs and you're going to move everything the other way. As you can see, it's like diagonally this way, but you're going to move it like this, and you're going to do that to all. Oops, I don't know why I always accidentally select that. You're going to do that for all of the colors. Press the checkmark button, go back, go to effects, go to video effects, and add in the blur one. I think it's in lens. So add in blur and press the checkmark button, sorry. Just add it to your video and you're going to then export that. Open up the same video, select overlay, and add in that video we just exported as the overlay. You're just going to adjust it like so. Then go to splice and select the burn one and adjust it to like around 60. Then add another overlay and add in the white stock background. And you're going to select splice as well and select overlay. If the burn is a little bit too harsh, you can definitely edit that in splice like so, and you're just going to select on the original video, go to adjust, you're going to select sharpen 200 and highlight 250 as well. If it's too bright, just adjust it to your liking. I think that's a little bit too bright, so I'm just going to leave it at 0 actually. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.